Today I'm here at NI, which is one of the pioneers here, I would say, biggest. They sit on a 23-acre site, and they are leaders in advanced automation, intelligent devices, control systems, and industrial software. Now, we have, we talk about high-tech industry, right? But in Penang now, it's not just high-tech industry. We talk, we visit the world, so we talk about the new term is called deep tech industry. That's one level higher than high-tech industry. I'm sure all of you all know. And that's what we are looking at. I mean, if we talk about our Penang itself, just in the last year, we had investment of 12.5 billion ringgit, which is on a year-to-year basis, 150% increase, number one. And if you talk of FDI, we have 86 projects so far at a cost of 10.5 billion ringgit. That is Penang for you. This handphone, all got handphone, right? You know how many chips there are in here? Who knows? You should know. I think easily 100. But I usually say more than that. Yeah. And you know where the chips come from? Here, in Bayana Pass. And then we send it out to America or China, most likely. And then they build this phone. But that's not all a phone requires. A phone requires so many other parts. So what I'm trying to say about ecosystem is that when the chip maker does the chips in the semicon factories that we have, which is part of what you're doing, then that will be sent to the manufacturers of the product, and the product will also require other companies in the industry zone that we are in to supply the other parts that go into making this one product. So that is the reason why, if we talk about semiconductor, I just want to remind everyone, in Penang, I keep saying, we are second smallest state in Malaysia. And I always ask you whether you have a world map, because if you put a world map up, you won't even see Penang there. But you know how strong Penang is? Apart from all the numbers I gave you, semiconductor products we produce and supply, not Penang, not Malaysia, not the region, but the world, 7% of it. From here, the small dot that you cannot see, but we are very strong dot, if I can say. Memperkasakan bakat dan kemahiran tersebut. Saya gembira lihat ada pelbagai program di sini. As you can see, there are many programs here. I think you saw just now on the screen, which really, I think we should make sure all industry looks into things like this. Kita ada Computer Science Core Skill, CS, which is hands-on learning program languages for Form 4 and Form 5 students, and whereby you have mentor students, which is mentor-mentee, which is something that we do, yes. And there's First Tech Challenge, which some of these, a lot of other companies have already done. But you see, this is what I'm trying to say is, this is extremely important if you want to produce the talent and skill. And when you talk about First Tech Challenge, we talk about advanced robotics for high schools, hands-on learning. The Penang International Science Fair, they participate in. Thank you very much. You were there. I was there. And Girls in Engineering and Tech program. And I think that is something extremely important, because we want to make sure that we also ensure that our workforce does not deny the female work talent that we have to come in. But don't make it 50-50. I got a dog on. Yeah, me also. That one don't show. No, I'm a fair man. Anyway,
Okay.
healthy. Remember that part of the agenda.
Saya